3 months and 12 days, to be exact, have passed since you have stood here to take your oaths as police trainees. 3 months and 12 days of standing underneath the sweltering sun.
Walking in single file, the seemingly endless exercises, and the highly regimented way of life. The day has come, sabi nga, it's as high of a relief for the 637 police recruits. You know, entering into the police service is not easy.
3 months and 12 days, your character, your will, your self-esteem, and discipline were tested.
Minsan, yung isang araw, parang pakiramdam mo isang linggo na. At yung isang linggo, isang buwan na.
And after 3 months and 12 days, you now stand before us, stronger, sharper, more knowledgeable, and more disciplined.
You have a long journey ahead of you as you will be exposed to countless temptations. Having the strong foundation of discipline imposed upon ourselves will drive us to make right decisions. Later on in your career, you can be assigned anywhere in the Philippines. You came from the different regions. Despite diversity, dapat mayroon pa rin kayang unity.
Remember that feeling of that hope, that pride, that lofty joy in your hearts that you carried 3 months and 12 days ago. Feel it in your chest once again. Keep it and hold onto it until your last day of service.
This will remind you when facing a difficult task ahead or being tempted to deviate from the right path. Nag-iisa lang ang Philippine National Police sa buong Pilipinas. We are one organization. So, naniniwala ako sa inyo na hindi dahilan ang pagiging PO1 na mag-commit tayo ng mga violation. We are one member of the Philippine National Police. Alagaan natin yung ating pamilya. Let them be the source of your inspiration. Kasi dito tayo huhugot ng lakas ng loob para sa ating pang-araw-araw na pagsiservisyo balang araw na mag-graduate na kayo. Kaya ka nagtatrabaho just because ultimately dahil mayroon kang pamilyang uuwihan. Napapangalagaan natin yung ating pamilya, papahalagan natin ang serbisyo natin bilang pulis.
This is a noble profession you are training for. Let no bad weather storm your soul. Let no dark voices draw your spirit astray.
Let us continue our job with passion and let us contribute for the betterment of the organization. This will be an eye-opener and challenge for all of you. The 637 police recruits in front of Binao to make the difference.